Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather looks very nice, but it's snowy and cold, but it looks so good. I love it. I just wanted to tell you something. I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Please watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support very much. See you, bye. For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it did, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. See you later. Bye. Bye.